Can you overcome the seventh time waster, which is lack of planning? Absolutely. I'm Miriam from Precious Time, and my mission is to help you become the best time manager you can be and the best version of yourself. Today would be video number 7 in my 10 video series Time Wasters. We will be discussing how lack of planning is a major time waster and how to overcome it. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I suggest you see them. They are going to be very valuable and insightful to you. Okay, so let's dive into today's topic. Lack of planning. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Benjamin Franklin. How true is this statement? Some people have their lives planned to many years ahead. They know what they want to accomplish at every phase of their life. However, most people are not like that. Many people go through their whole life without a plan. This may be due to personality preferences, behavioral patterns, mindsets, and many more factors. Going with the flow is great with the simple things in life. However, the big picture of your life should be planned. You should know where you are heading. For your life journey to be successful, having plans is very crucial. That's how you can accomplish your dreams, your goals, and your intentions. That's how you can get results and be productive, efficient, and effective. You should have short-term plans and long-term plans. So how can we overcome this time waster? Simply plan, right? You need to have short-term plans and you need to have long-term plans because clarity breeds mastery. So start with the short-term planning. Start planning your day, then your week, then your month, then aim for long-term planning, your year, your 5-year plan, your 10-year plan, and keep going. The more you plan and have a clear idea of where you are heading, the more you would feel you are in control and on track, using time efficiently to your benefit. If you found this video to be useful, then please like it and subscribe to my channel to always be updated with my new videos. Stay tuned for my future time waster videos. As always, reach out to me with all your questions, concerns, and suggestions. If you would like to dig deeper into time wasters and know more about them, then I suggest you check out my course on udemy.com. Thank you for watching. As always, remember, time is precious. Cherish it.